Hey, good morning, everybody. Everybody's doing okay out there? Thanks for joining me this morning. Good morning, good morning. Appreciate you guys being in here. Found out a couple lines, try to clean up some of these charts. Didn't trade yesterday. Feeling a little under the weather. Didn't trade at all yesterday, which is uncharacteristic, but I really didn't. Just wasn't feeling it. Wasn't feeling very well at all. So, um, my second day trading this week. I traded on Monday. That's right. Live streamed on Monday. Today's Wednesday. What do we got going on here on the Nasdaq? Hey Zero, what's up, man? Thanks for joining us. Morning, Sam. I'm doing better today. Morning, Tom. Hey, SW Blaze. Still not 100%, but getting there. What do we got going on the daily chart? I don't think we have any news today, do we? I don't remember thinking there was anything out today. Calendar. He had durable goods. Nah, these aren't much. Tomorrow, anything? Initial jobless claims, maybe. GDP tomorrow. Oh, and Jackson Hole. Jackson Hole tomorrow. Powell's giving a speech. When is Powell giving a speech? That is on Friday at 9 a.m. He's giving a speech. So we need to keep that in mind. Friday, 9 a.m., Jay Powell's giving a speech. Nico, what's up? All right, so what we got going on the daily here? Obviously, we broke to the upside on this down channel. We've now fallen back in. I think it's got some support down here, maybe at the bottom of the band on the daily. However, as I'm looking over here, the bottom of the band on the daily hasn't really provided much support. So, I could see it falling through this and actually coming down now to the bottom of this channel that we were in previously. I don't know if it's going to do that today, or if price is going to want to drive down there at all. But it's something to keep in mind as a target. Hey George, what's up? So I'd say down here 12,300 ish. Well, I don't know. This channel will move up as time goes by here. But it's looking bearish for sure. What I saw, let's see on a 4-hour real quick. 200 SMA on the 4-hour down here. Some more support down here, 1270 on the band on the 4-hour. So I could see down here 12,775 maybe. That's 100 points away as a potential target for it. If it wanted to start breaking lower, that's where I'd probably initially be looking at it. Yep. Some resistance up here, probably right there at 1330, 13,030. Also, it's 20 SMA on the 4-hour, so I could see us maybe making a move up and then pulling down, or just even dropping straight down to 1275, 12,775. That would probably be my target to the downside on it. And I'm looking, even when I looked at it this morning on my phone, on the hourly, you could see this range that it's forming in here, down here on the hourly. So I think we're probably going to break below that. I think it could come down, do a false breakout to 12,775, come down there, roll back up. So yeah, but it looks like we're just ranging down here. And to trade a range, really just want to get at the top of the range. And right now we're kind of at the middle of the range, it looks like. So it's not the best place to get in on it. That being said, I think the top of the band here on the one hour would probably be pretty close near-term support or resistance. 12,930-ish. Draw that out up here. If you got an impulse to the upside there, you might be able to take a short down. draw at the bottom of the range here. 26. I don't know. I mean, maybe you don't want to miss the move. Downside, right? More than stacking bananas. Thanks for joining us. You don't want to miss the move to the downside, but I think maybe if we get through this 20 SMA on the hourly plus VWAP, maybe it's going to want to push down. We're already breaking the supporting trend line that's on the hourly, so I do have a bearish bias on it. I can also see Delta here is crazy negative 2,500 on the day. I suspect we'll probably get through VWAP and start making our way down here. I'm just going to trade one contract to start out with. If I did get an impulse back up here to like 12,935, I'd look to probably short it up here. And, final area of resistance on this thing. Like if it broke that, then it would be bullish bias would probably be up here at 13,020. Quite a ways, but it's got to be that touch where we saw this clear rejection of it yesterday. So yeah, 17. It's kind of what I'm looking at with it. What do you guys think? I'm looking to probably take a short. Starts really breaking lower. I have to just jump in on it, which is never a good thing to do. Yes, but I do think we're down and some of these areas we can look at overnight volume. Oh, is the audio not working? I was just taking a break there. I was just looking at. Let's look at Bookmap. Is the audio working? Can everybody hear me? Can you guys hear me? Give me a yes. Oh, you're good. Okay. We can take a look at Bookmap, see if we see any levels that price is getting drawn into. See a bunch of orders here on the supporting price down here. We were talking that 12,775 level. Was that it? Was it level 775? Yeah, I wonder if there's anything going on down quite a ways away. So 12,700. Wow. Big order sitting down there. 545 orders sitting down at 12,700. That might be an area it wants to go down to today. Possibly. I mean, what's the well, I mean, it's definitely got room. It's basically flat on the day at the moment. Delta being so negative. I mean, 1,700. I don't think it's crazy to think that it couldn't do that. What do you guys think? 12,700 on the day? What's up, Money Kiddo? Hey, George, Jesse, SW Blaze, VVS, Stocksbox. It's Dave. Good morning. Morning. Oh, what are you guys up to? What do you guys think today? You bullish or bearish today? Let's take a poll. Let's see what. I think this is kind of a no-brainer here. Seems like we can see this kind of trend line here on the 5-minute. Maybe we break this and we get that move back up to 35. I don't know, but this is also might be a good short it. This is an overnight session volume profile. Short at that trend line back down. Yeah, hey Verinder, what's up, man? You think bullish to start with? Yeah, I think we might get that impulse up. We got those two kind of key levels of resistance. One here at 12,937, where we can see these touches here, and then there's another one up here, 13,020-ish. This looks like it's about ready to drop. Look at this 1 minute. We came up to this trend line on the 5-minute. It's very bearish candle on the 1 minute. Few bearish candles over. I think that if it can get up through this 12,895 over on the 5-minute, it may want to take a run up. Yeah, trying to pick the top of this thing is kind of like trying to pick the bottom of it. You know, you don't want to try to pick a fall. You know, it's hard to catch a falling knife. It's also hard to pick the top of a bearish move. So watching this. What about a range day? Oh yeah, I don't know. What about a range day? I should have put that on my poll. Forgot the range option. Poor range option. Always getting left out. It does look like we're rolling away from. You can just see this trend line on the 5 minutes really, you know, holding it down there. Lots of orders sitting down here at 12,883. Lots, but some. I would think that 12,700 level. Saw all those orders sitting on the book down there. I wonder what ones with a higher time frame. Yeah, it'd be really the bottom of the band on the. That's kind of how I'm seeing it, guys. Seeing price probably trying to roll over today, go down the downside. See this 4 hour really turning bearish there. So it'll be interesting to see how this 4 hour closes. But if it closes anything like that, you're almost guaranteed to move down. You see here how price is just rolling away from that trend line on the 5 minute. Morning, our bank. Oh, we're 50-50 on the poll today, huh? $13,090 level. I don't know. Just rolled. Delta's super strong negative. Flat on the day. It's got a lot of room to the downside. May want to come down to 2008. A couple minutes for the market to open. I'm gonna go fill up my coffee mugs, guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back. Let's look. Getting a little bit of an impulse up there. Delta's still moving. get that impulse up, and then you get that reversal, that bearish doji there. And it looks like it's going to come down, but Delta's still kind of holding. Wait, I'm sitting on my hands for a little bit. Some Jim, I just want to grab some coffee. Sorry, I didn't throw my coffee icon up. Wasn't available. Finishing up through some of those levels. Delta's still moving up. Yeah, I know. I'm kind of waiting for this. I think up here, 936 ish is interesting to short it. But it also, I think if price wanted to move up there, it would actually look pretty bullish if it was trying to do that. Seeing here, our price has moved down. Delta, though, hasn't really moved down that much, but I'm not trading based off of Delta, but I do think it wants to roll over. I think it wants to come down some today. Big scalp there. Back down to support. I took a short there right at VWAP as I saw this cumulative delta selling coming through. Just take a short at VWAP. Take it down again. Support. Let's watch it, guys. You see Delta dropping lower there. Wondering if this trend line, pre-market trend line, wants to still be in play. Hmm. Out there. Shoot. How you guys doing out there? Short again, 883. It's close to where I was short again, but um, it's bullish right there, huh? You're long, nice. I'm gonna end my poll, guys. Looks like we're almost the same market sentiment here. I don't want to jump back in on a short, but I feel like I'm just taking guessing stabs at it. VWAP and point of control. It's really hard time getting down through that. I'm going to close out. I probably got one more trade left in me, and then I'm going to call it a day. Nice design knob. I might take one more stab short, and that's going to be it for me. Just feels like it doesn't want to get up through those prices at all. Seems like it wants to go up through them. Doesn't seem like it wants to come down either. It's just a bunch of orders sitting at 80. Here, might want to engage. You can also see the back end of this trend line is now acting as support. Ugh. What's up, Kyle? Good morning. Thanks for joining us, man. Just watching this thing. You're overthinking this. Okay. Probably. But that's pretty common for a lot of traders to overthink. Yeah, it kind of looks like it kind of wants to break this 12,906 level and pop up, but it's tough. See how this next 5-minute candle closes. Hmm. Just kind of rangy down here, isn't it? Just ranging on the open from 12,900 down to 12,850-ish. The place you want to get short at is at 12,900. Seems like where it keeps getting rejected. And yeah, I think it just looks like kind of a choppy day. I don't know if it's got gas to go up much higher. Might try to fade this move. I'm gonna get chicken out. Chickened out on that. I should have stayed in it. Oh, it's a horrible fill on that one. Oh, sorry, I'm not too talkative today, guys. I'm still not feeling 100%. I'm just not quite as chatty as I usually am here. Things gonna down now, huh? Bull trap up there. See how this 5-minute closes. It's kind of hard to trade right. Well, I don't know if it's hard to trade. I think getting on that fade move that I originally jumped in on would have been a good. Yeah, I mean, it just looks kind of rangy today. I should have put that in the pull option. Ranging. I would be careful of false breakouts to both sides of this. You think it's going to break to the downside, then it gets that pop back up. This was a pretty good bull trap up here. Yeah, you're probably right, stacking bananas. Let's see what the hourly candle looks like. Hourly candle's going to close in 4 minutes. Closes with a long wick on it like that. Yeah, we're just kind of ranging between, I think, 12, 8, 20 down here. You can see a couple touches down here. Where the top of the range would be right now. The top of the range looks like it's just at the session high at 12,914. Money control coming up here. Just something to take note of. I don't think it's really anything actionable. it's coming up here again, these prices. There's another short. That looks pretty bullish, huh? Might try oil later. Like a little bit of an uptrend in the morning. Higher lows, higher highs. How valid that is. I think we're just kind of rangy today, guys. I think I'm going to jump off this live stream, guys. I'll be back tomorrow, 8:10 a.m. Central Time. I might let this thing chop around for a little bit, and I feel like I'm just going to get chopped out. This actually might look like a short coming in here. I mean, this thing fall back into the range. We can see this hourly candle, though. Looks very rangy. It's just like big pin on it, then a pin up to the top. This thing wants to fall down. I think if it got through, I really don't know. It just looks like it's ranging. So I'm gonna take a break. And I don't really feel like getting chopped up today. I feel like that's what I'm kind of seeing. So I appreciate you guys joining us this morning. I'll be back tomorrow, 8:10 a.m. Central Time. I hope you guys have a good trading day if you keep trading. I hear this like it wants to go bullish, but I think it might want to fall. I don't know. I feel like I'm going to get chopped up here in a second, so I'm just going to stop. I'm also not feeling too hot this morning, so it's probably not a good day to trade anyway. I will be back tomorrow, 8:10 a.m. Central Time. Thanks so much for joining us, and I'll see you.